Hi you guys, welcome back to the channel, Our Relaxing Life. Now today we are on our way to Bok Tower. Now we're at right after the drive-in guard shack, and we decided why not do some yoga poses right here. All right, and this month's pose is fish pose, and I'm going to show you how to do that with yoga blocks and then without yoga blocks as well. But we're gonna start without yoga blocks. And so what you're gonna do is you're gonna lay down on the mat. You're going to put your feet together like this. And then you're gonna have your hands together, praying hands, and you're gonna have it over your head like that. All right. So let's get started. And you're gonna do this for 3 to 4 breaths. Breathe in, breathe out. This pose is good for a great blood flow. You're gonna breathe in, you're gonna breathe out. Breathe in and out. All right, now if you really want to get into the pose and open up that heart, you're gonna pretend there's like a pencil in between your back shoulders, and you're gonna lift up that chest as much as you can. And you're gonna breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Now, we're gonna be careful when coming up, and we're gonna grab our yoga blocks, and I'm gonna show you how to do it with both, and then just one, and which one you can do, whichever variation you wanna do. So we're gonna slowly get them up. Grab our blocks. So you're gonna have your head block going sideways, and then the one for your chest is going to go long ways. Now you can use a pillow as well. You're gonna lift up your hands. You're gonna breathe. You're gonna breathe in and out. You're gonna do this for 3 breaths. Now we're gonna just do it to lift up your chest, and I'll remove the head one, and then we'll do the one for the head. And it's gonna be the same thing, 3 breaths. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and breathe out. All right, slowly come up. And then we're gonna do, now the head, it's gonna be long ways. And you can see what that looks like. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in. And breathe out. All right, now slowly come up. All right. Thank you for watching. Be sure to check us next time as we get more into Bok Tower. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. We are on our way to 1,000 subscribers for the year. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.